Hi everyone, so I won a little giveaway from Johanna from JM Unboxings&More. It was a jewelry giveaway and she had been doing a collab with Lisa the Perfectionist, I believe. And they were both a jewelry giveaway. I forgot exactly what it was a mystery bag thing from, I forgot what company it was, but it was some bracelets. It was a jewelry company. But anyways, into it. Okay, so have a little card here, a little sticker. It's really cute. Let's see. It was the Victoria Emerson giveaway. That's what it was. And just says, thank you so much for being part of my YouTube channel. And then be safe, Johanna. And there's little stickers. Okay. And then outside of this little bag, and this is the earrings, there's a Luxe Beauty Lavish Me sheet mask, vitamin infused for a healthier looking skin glow for all skin types. So that's cool that she snuck a little extra thing in there. And let's get into the earrings. I already knew which ones they were. I don't think I entered for Lisa's because those earrings just weren't as much of my style. Like, I like ones like this, and just like, yeah, I like I forgot which ones what the other ones looked like, but I like usually don't go for this big of a one, but the design is like my kind of design. They're really pretty. This. So yeah, that's what I got from Johanna. So I'm gonna say thank you very much. They were really pretty, and I need to put them in my drawer because my little cute kitty wanted to play with them because they were jingly. But anyways, hope y'all have a great day. Bye.